English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.
So, this is it, Neil, the cafe I wanted to try for breakfast.
Looks lovely, Feifei. Let's get a table.
How about this one by the window?
Great.
Nah, bit too bright. How about this one in the corner?
Looks good.
Bit too dark. And this one is close to the coffee machine. Nah, too noisy. What about...
Feifei, are you going to keep Goldilocksing all day, or can we actually order some breakfast?
Goldilocksing? You mean like Goldilocks? Ah, I see what you mean. Sorry, Neil.
Yes, let's just sit right here while I explain. The phrase comes from a fairy tale about a little girl called Goldilocks. One day she finds an empty house in the forest. In the kitchen, there are 3 bowls of porridge. She tries them one by one. The first one is too hot, the second one is too cold, and the third one is just right.
She takes a long time to decide which one she likes. Oh, and then she chooses a chair to sit on, doesn't she?
Yes, and that takes a long time too. And finally, she sees 3 beds. It takes a long time to choose which one to sleep in.
So, you're saying I'm like Goldilocks, slowly deciding which table to sit at, trying to find the perfect one.
Exactly. And I'm hungry. And you know what happens to Goldilocks?
Yes, the house belongs to 3 bears, and they come home while she's asleep. Okay, let's play some examples while we start looking at the menu. It might take a long time.
Ling, can you stop Goldilocksing and just decide what to drink? Happy hour is almost finished.
Juan took a Goldilocks approach to decorating his apartment. Everything had to be just right.
They say our planet is in the Goldilocks zone. It's not too hot and not too cold to support life. It's just the right temperature.
You're listening to the English we speak from BBC Learning English. Our word is Goldilocks. So in those examples, we heard Goldilocksing as a verb. Ling was Goldilocksing.
And as an adjective, a Goldilocks approach. The Goldilocks zone.
Anyway, Neil, have you decided what to eat?
Actually, not yet.
Now who's the Goldilocks? Let me order for both of us. 2 bowls of porridge, please.
And not too hot.
Bye.
Bye.
The English we speak.
From the BBC.
Hi everyone, we hope you enjoyed that video and thank you very much for watching. We have so many more just like it, so if you don't want to miss a single one, make sure to subscribe and we will see you regularly. Hope to see you soon. Bye guys.